Good morning, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to learn exercise number 2.2. Before we could start the class, you should know the formula for finding the area of the circle. The formula for finding the area of the circle is pi r squared square units, where we know that the value of the pi is equal to 22 by 7, or we can use 3.14 if we need. And this small r refers the radius of the circle. Now let us start the new exercise 2.2. Question number 5. In a grassland, a sheep is tethered by a rope of length 4.9 meter. Find the maximum area that the sheep can graze. Here in this question they are given that the length of the rope is equal to 4.9 meter, which is equal to the radius of the grassland. To find the maximum area that the sheep can graze, which is equal to the area of the circular region of radius 4.9 meter. And we know that the formula for finding the area of the circle is pi r squared square units. (22 by 7 is the value of pi and 4.9 meter is the value of r. Here r squared means we should multiply 4.9 2 times. By simplifying 4.9 by 7 we get 0.7, which is equal to 22 into 0.7 into 4.9. By multiplying all these numbers we get 75.46 meters squared. Therefore, the area that the sheep can graze is equal to 75.46 meters squared. Question number 6. Find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 2464 meters squared. As we learnt in the last question, the length of the rope is equal to the length of the radius. Here in this question they are given that area A is equal to 2464 meters squared, and we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. To find the length of the rope, we should find the length of the radius. We are going to find the length of the radius by using the formula of area of the circle. And we know that the formula for finding the area of the circle is pi r squared square units. Here the area given is 2464 meters squared. So we should substitute this value here, 2464 meters squared. And we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. R squared means radius squared, that we should find it. This equation can be written as r squared is equal to 2464 divided by 22 into 7. By taking this 22 by 7 to the left side, we will get 7 by 22, the reciprocal of 22 by 7. Therefore, r squared is equal to 16 into 7 into 7. This 16 again can be written as 4 4s are 16. Here 7 7s are 49 here. Therefore, r squared is equal to 4 into 4 into 7 into 7. This can be written as r squared is equal to 4 into 4 2 times. We can write it as 4 squared. 7 into 7 2 times. It can be written as 7 squared. By cancelling square on both the sides, we'll get r is equal to 4 into 7. 4 sevens are 28. So the value of the radius is equal to 28 meter. Which is equal to the required length of the rope, which is equal to 28 meter. Tenmozhi wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter at the rate of rupees 150 per meter squared. Find the cost of leveling. Here in this question they are given that the diameter D is equal to 49 meter and we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. As we know that we can find the radius r by using the formula d by 2, that is diameter by 2, which is equal to 49 by 2. Therefore, the radius is equal to 49 by 2. To find the cost of leveling, first we should find the area of the circular garden by using the formula pi r squared square units. 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 49 by 2 is the value of radius that we found here. R square means we should multiply twice. By simplifying 49 by 7, we get 7. By simplifying 22 by 2, we get 11 times. So we get 11 into 7 into 49 by 2. By multiplying all these values and divide by 2, we get 1886.5 meters squared. Here in this question, they are given the cost of leveling for 1 meter squared is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, the cost of leveling for 1886.5 meters squared is equal to rupees 150 into 1886.5 meters squared, which is equal to 2,82,975. Next, question number 9. The floor of the circular swimming pool, whose radius is 7 meter, has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter squared. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. Here in this question, they are given that radius r is equal to 7 meter and we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here we should find the total cost of cementing the floor. For that we should find the area of the circular floor. As we did in the last question, by using the formula of finding the area of the circular swimming pool, which is equal to pi r squared square units. Here 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 7 is the value of radius. Radius square means we should multiply the radius twice. By cancelling 7 by 7, we get 22 into 7. 22 sevens are 154 meters square. Here they are given that the cost of cementing for 1 meter squared is equal to rupees 18. Therefore, the cost of cementing for 154 meters squared is equal to rupees 18 into 154 meters squared, which is equal to rupees 2772. Okay students, this is the time for our assignment. Do the assignment given in your classwork notebook and send the images to the class group. To get the better practice, do the answers for the questions given in your textbook frequently. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.